Hey, what is up guys? John here at TEMU. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Amazon Echo Buds. Alright guys, so in this video we'll unbox these, we'll see what we get inside the box, we'll check out the build quality, we'll try it out, and I'll let you know what I think of it. Alright guys, so it comes in this blue box. We've got Echo Buds up top, picture of the earbuds front and center. Alexa compatible, and just going over some of the specs real quick. Got Bluetooth 5.2. We've got 5 hours of music playback and 20 hours total playback when using the case to charge. Charging speed is 2 hours, but you do have a 15-minute quick charge that offers you a couple hours of playback. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the box. Get out the trusty spider code. All right, so first thing, we've got the case with the earbuds inside. Very nice and compact. And we've got the usual documentation, user manual, warranty stuff. Put that off to the side. See what else we get inside here. And we get, what are these? And you get these little rubber covers for the earbuds. All right, this is the earbuds. Let's go ahead and open these up. All right, so the case is like a matte white, hard plastic. We've got the Amazon logo back here. Not sure if the camera's gonna pick that up. We got your USB-C port. All right, guys, just a heads up, these did not come with a charging cable. That's the first. Normally, we at least get a charging cable. This case, we don't get anything. That's a real bummer. And that lights up green to show that we have power. Again, it's like a matte white, looks like a egg type texture and color. And it's nice and compact. It's just this little square design. You won't have any problems carrying this around in your pocket if you're wearing slims or if you're rocking skinny jeans. All right, guys, and that is the earbuds. This comes in a couple colorways. We've got the white, and there's another colorway that is white and black. And once you open up the case, it puts it in pairing mode. Now it's kind of like the case is pulsating blue. So it looks like it's searching for a device to connect to. While we're here, let's pair this up to my iPhone. And there it is, right at the bottom. Very quick. And we are paired. And this is how the earbuds look like, guys. And they're made out of the same plastic material as the case. Got some right branding right there. Left branding right there with your charging pins. These are going to be touch control. You've got a nice flat pad right here. So when you're using the controls, it should be nice and easy. Let's try these on. All right, so we've got it connected. Oops. Open up Epidemic Sounds. All right, what is going on here? All right, so you have to go into the Echo Buds, or excuse me, the Amazon app to set these up. Not sure why. I mean, it's already connected to my device, to my phone, but it says we got to do this, guys. It says select. What is going on, man? Come on. Says this may take a few minutes for your Echo Buds to appear on the list. This is frustrating, guys. Why do you have to do all this? They're just earbuds. This alone makes me not want to recommend these. You shouldn't have to do all this. Or they're already connected via Bluetooth to my phone. Why do we have to mess with the Alexa app? All right, guys, so we are back. I just had to update the Amazon app, and I ran through the setup and it connected no problem. But still, we shouldn't have to mess with Amazon Alexa to just connect this to our phones. It's not needed. So anyways, I'm finalizing the setup now. And again, you can tap to control the music, skip tracks, answer calls, and you can play previous songs. I guess what's pretty cool is that you can use all the Alex A commands while you're using the buds. So we've got epidemic sounds here. Ooh, I like that. So we're at about 50% volume and it's sounding good, guys. It's crisp, it's clear. Ooh, it's got some bass. Yo, I like these. So the last time I checked, these were coming in right around 50 bucks. But yeah, guys, man, these sound good. These sound really nice. It sounds full. It's clear. They fit good too. I don't have any kind of hot spots where my ear is sore or anything like that. I mean, it's less than, 5 minutes having these in ear, but so far they feel pretty good. Yeah, these sound good. Unfortunately, they're pretty basic. There's no noise cancellation or anything like that. So just going over some of the specs real quick. We've got Bluetooth 5.2. Come on, camera. Focus. All right, so we've got Bluetooth 5.2. We've got 12mm drivers, so that's why we've got that bass. It sounds really good. And again, we've got 5 hours of music playback with a total playback of 20 hours when using the case to charge. And with a 15-minute quick charge, you get up to 2 hours of playback, which that's always nice to have that quick charge. These earbuds are like the AirPods where there's seamless switching. If you switch from listening on your phone, and you have these paired to your laptop, say your laptop, and you start watching on there, they'll automatically switch. God, what is up with the autofocus, man? It keeps focusing on my light back there. But anyways, again, you can use this just like how you would use any Alex A device with asking it questions, asking it to do things for you, which is pretty cool, I guess. But overall, guys, I like the sound quality on these. They sound really good, really full, lots of bass. The vocals are clear. So these are going to be great for watching movies, playing games, and listening to your music. Again, my main issue with it is that you have to pair it up with the Alex A app, which I think you shouldn't have to. If you don't want to use it within that system, we should just be able to connect it via Bluetooth to our phones and use it that way without worrying about the app. And while we're here, let's test out the magnets. Let's see how well the case holds them in place. All right, they passed the test. And while we're here, let's test out the mic. Hey, what is up, guys? John here at TEMU Go, doing a quick mic check on the Amazon Echo Buds. Microphone check 1 2, microphone check 1 2. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Do we sound good? Are we clear? Let me know, you guys. Hopefully that was clear, guys. All right, guys, so some final thoughts. If you're looking to spend no more than around 50 bucks, I do think these are a decent choice. If all you're looking for is just straight sound quality, they sound really good. They've got a lot of bass and the vocals are super clear. But I also wish that these had some more features like noise cancellation. I think that would be awesome. And like low latency game mode. Because there's some other options out there that are right around this price range or maybe just a little bit more that offer those other features. But if you are within the Amazon ecosystem and you want to use this with the Alex A app, then these would be a great choice for that. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. It's very much appreciated. And as always, I'm John at TEMU Go. I'll see you in the next one.